Now, second step in the design of an experiment is called as procedure. What is procedure? Procedure is step by step record or presentation of an experiment. Record or presentation of an experiment in a written form. In written form. In IGCSE exam, you will not have to write the procedure, but it will be given there in the paper. So only you have to read and remember that what are the different steps in the experiment. Yani how the experimenter he did the experiment. That is called as procedure. So in that you have to understand the steps of the procedure, and in that procedure what they will ask you the different questions during the at the end of the procedure. Third step of the design of the experiment is that is observation. Observation. So in observation, it is to detect any change in dependent variable. Independent variable. The change can be, for example, it can be of different types like change in color, it can be change in volume, it can be change in pH, it can be change in concentration, or it can be change in temperature. So we have to detect these changes. Like we detect the change in color with the help of like directly by observation with the eyes or with the help of a colorimeter. We can use like direct observation by eyes, or we can use a colorimeter. Volume we can use like measuring cylinder, or directly we can use for gases, we can use gas syringe. And in the same way we have pH, that is we can use pH scale or a buffer solution. In the same way we can use concentration, or we can use for temperature we can use thermometer. So there are different methods by which we can observe any change in the dependent variable. And after we observe the change, then we are going to record the change. Record